Hey there, Louis here. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how you can change the default in SharePoint Online to always open Office files in the respective desktop application. Let's go ahead and let's check it out. All right, now you can see here that I'm currently in a SharePoint Online library called Library A. Now, in order to change the default behavior for how files are opened, you want to click on the settings icon at the very top of the interface. And next you want to click on library settings. And then you want to click on more library settings. Next, you want to click on advanced settings. And you can see this setting group called opening documents in the browser. And you can see that the default is set to use the server default, which is open in the browser. You want to set this to open in the client application. Next, you want to scroll to the very bottom of this page and you want to click OK. And then you want to navigate back to your library by clicking on the library name in the breadcrumb trail. And now when you open one of these documents, you're going to see that it actually opens the document in the respective desktop application. Now you can see here that this Word doc opened in Microsoft Word. And if I click on this Excel workbook, it will also open in Microsoft Excel, and the same would apply to the PowerPoint file. Now, if you're finding this video helpful, I do have another tutorial that demonstrates how you can change this setting in Microsoft Teams so that those files that you open in Microsoft Teams will open in the respective desktop applications as well. I've included a link to that tutorial in the description below, or you can just go ahead and click that card in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Now you can see here that I have navigated to a second library on this site, and this one is titled Library B. Now I'll go ahead and click on the Word document here. And as you can see here, this document actually opened in the browser. Now it looks like it is open in Microsoft Word, but that is because I have my browser set to full screen. So again, it's really important to note the method that I just outlined will force SharePoint to open files in that specific library only in the respective desktop application. All right, now to change the setting for the entire SharePoint site, what you want to do is navigate to the main page of your site. Then you want to click on the settings icon in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. And here you want to click on Site Contents. And then you want to click on Site Settings. Next, you want to click on Site Collection Features in the Site Collection Administration group. And if I scroll down here, you can see this option that says Open Documents in Client Applications by default. Now you'll notice that by default, this feature is inactive. So you want to click on this button that says Activate. And now you can see that this feature is active. And now if I navigate back to Library B, that is the library that we just tested to demonstrate that it still opens files in the web browser. Now, if I click on one of these files, you can see here that that setting applied to this library and will apply to all others, and that this file actually opened in Microsoft Word, the desktop application. Now, I'll just click on one more file here. If I click on this Excel workbook, you can see here that it has opened this file in the Microsoft Excel desktop app. So that's it. In this tutorial, I demonstrated how you can change the default setting in SharePoint Online to always open Office files in their respective desktop application. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit that thumbs up below and be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on the latest tutorials that I publish. I'm Louis Yacobelis. Thanks for stopping by. Talk soon.